Hello friends, today we learn how we solve the net present value question on Excel. So this is the last year question which was there in CM1 April exam. So just first let's read the question. So we have cost of the premises given 5 lakh. The refurbishing of premises will cost 15 lakh with the 6 equal installment payable monthly in advance. The first payment made on 2019. So we have very important monthly payments. The store is expected to start after 1.5 years, almost first Jan we have the premises we have purchased. It is open on May 20. We have given the cost of the number of coffee cups sale each month on our Excel file. So on first month we have 10,000, next month we have 11,000 and so on. Sales are given. The revenue from each cup of coffee is 3, and we are assuming all these incomes are coming continuously. We have given the cost of staff. This is also outflow for us. Will be 10,000 per month, payable continuously from 1st May 2020. So this cost of staff is also, it is 10,000 per month, which is payable continuously. Fine. It is assumed that these will increase on each 1st September by 2% per annum. Every year it is increased by 2%. We have to take care of this. It is also assumed that the cost and income will cease by the end of 2030. So we have to take the cash flows from May 19 to December 30. We have given risk discount rate of interest 12% per annum. Now we have to find the net present value for this. So class, to find the net present value, first we have to make it inflow and outflow. Start of the month. We have first cash flow on 1st Jan 2019. Then we have 1st Feb 2019. We have to increase this. Fine. Cost of land at market A. The cost of land we have 5 lakh. That is at the 1st Jan 2019. Then after this cost we have refurbishment costs. This refurbishing cost is 15 lakh, but this is from which will be incurred in 6 equal installments payable monthly in advance, with the first payment made on 1st October 2019. 1st October 2019, 15 lakh is the total cost. But first we have first, that is at the 1st Jan 2019. Then after this cost we have refurbishment costs. This refurbishing cost is 15 lakh, but this is from which will be incurred in 6 equal installments payable monthly in advance, with the first payment made on 1st October 2019. 1st October 2019. Full installment cost 19 lakh, but this is from which will be incurred in 6 equal installments payable monthly in advance, with the first payment made on 1st October 2019. 1st October 2019, 15 lakh is the total cost. divided by 6. So 2,50,000, we have a cost for next 6 months. Fine. So this is my refurbishing cost. This is also an outflow for us. This is outflow. Let me give the heading. This is also outflow. Fine. After this, we have the cost of staff and maintaining new store will be 10,000 per annum, payable monthly from Jan 2020. And it is assumed that these will increase on each 1st September by 2%. So we have yearly increase of these costs. So cost of staff and maintenance cost. Fine. So the cost of staff we are having from 1st May 20. 1st May 20 we are having 10,000, and this will till August. From 1st September it is increased by 2%. So 10,000 into 1.02. Fine. This will be there till August. Fine. Let me round off. Sorry. 10,200. It is remaining same. 10,200 till August. Then further it is increased by 2%. It is same. Then further it is increased by 2%. It is same. Then it is till August 22. Like this it will. In this way you have to complete this till 30th December. Now after this maintenance cost, let's say we have C. Now number of coffees sold in a month. We have given this information in the adjacent column. So from 1st May 2020 we have 10,000 cups sold. So let me take from here only. Press equal to, go to sheet 1, enter, and copy this formula till last. Control down. So see, we got all the number of cups sold in a day, price per cup. So in the question it is mentioned the price is 3 per cup of coffee and it is not increasing or decreasing. So throughout it remain 3. Press double click, you get cost of the coffee 3. So from this what we have an income. So income is this number of cups into the price, we get the total income. This is the income we are having continuously throughout the month. Remember, it is clearly mentioned it is continuously per month. We have given risk discount rate is 12%. Fine. So with the help of this, we can find the discounting factor. The discounting factor is 1 plus I raised to power minus 1 by 2. Why? Because all these payments are monthly, so we have to discount. We have to find the every value at the beginning of the month as 1 by 12. Why? Because all these payments are monthly, so we have to discount. We have to find the every value at the beginning of the month. Fine. So for the first, it is 1 only. For this, to find the discounting factor, we have this into 1 plus the risk-free rate of interest. Make a dollar sign. Same. Raised to power minus 1 by 12. Fine. Now the next one is this into, this is already V. So if I multiply V into 1 plus I raised to power minus 1 by 12. See, this is already H. In H5 we have already V. If I multiply V1 by 12, it becomes V2 by 12. Fine. So in this way we can get the discounting factor for all. Fine. So present value of A cash flow. This is cost of land into the present value factor. So as we have already seen, there is no other cash. This is cost of land into the present value factor. So as we have already seen, there is no other cash flow for this. So it is blank only. Here also you can apply the blanks as there is no cost. Now, present value of B cash flow. So we can have this into the discounting factor. Same formula we can apply below the rows. Fine. So we get the present value of the refurbishing cost. Now, to find the cost of staff and maintenance costs, this is we are receiving throughout the month. These are the cash flows occurred continuously. So first we have to find the present value of factor for this continuous thing. Now class, to find the present value of cash flow C, this is again an outflow for us. So all these are annuity payments. We have given all these are my continuous annuity payments payable per month. So first we have to find the A bar for this. So we have to find A bar N. So A bar N formula is 1 minus En by delta. Since we have to find A bar, for per month, so A bar 1 formula is this, but this is at the rate I12 by 12 because we are finding per month, because all these payments, all these maintenance costs are monthly, right? So for that, first find I12 by 12. So let me find I12 by 12. The formula is 1 plus I raised to power 1 by 12 minus 1. So we get this is I12 by 12 and my A bar N, my A bar in short. That is d by delta. What is d? It is I by 1 plus I. So I divided by 1 plus I bracket close divided by ln of 1 plus I. So this is my delta, sorry, A bar. Let me give the name of this to A bar only. Fine. So if you run want to write continuous annuity discounting factor, you can write here also. This is my A bar and this remains same for all. For all month it remain same. So let me find the present value of cash flow D. For D, we have the payments are starting from this. So this is my outflow into the annuity factor into we have to discount back this at time 0. Enter and copy this formula to all rows, control down. So we get the present value of all the outflows. Sorry, this is present value of cash flow C. Right. Now we're left with present value of D, that is our income part. In the same way, we have to do the income also. So this time income is this. This is my A bar N, and this is the discounting factor. Fine, and double click this. So we get the income also. Fine. Now what is the NPV? You know that NPV. See, NPV is basically inflow. This is my inflow minus outflow. So my outflows are present value of A, present value of B, and present value of C. So sum of all these outflows will give you the NPV. So I'll copy this formula to my all the rows, right? Control D. This is according to per month. So NPV to date is what? This. For next, it is sum of this plus this. Copy this. So my NPV, net present value, is 291187. And if you add all this, you get the same result. See, the results are same. Fine. We get the present value of this. Now we have to determine whether the store is profitable or not. See, we get NPV positive, so that means this is profitable to do this because we have profit. Positive it is, that is why the profit is there, so we can have a profitability. Now calculate the discounted payback period for the nearest month. So what is the discounted payback period? So what is the discounted payback period? So discounted payback period is a time, is the smallest value of M for which we have a profit. So see, this is the first time we are having a profit. So this is my DPP. So on 1st July 2018, we have a DPP. So we can calculate the number of months. We started the project on 1st Jan 2019 and the profitability come on 1st July 2028. So this is my DPP. So number of months are, so if you calculate from 1st Jan 2019 to 1st July 2028, so you will get 115 months. Fine. Can calculate it. See, 9 years into 12, 108, and 7 months from this. Fine. So the total 115 months. Then for this year, we have to calculate the internal rate of return. Now, what is internal rate of return? The internal rate of return is when NPV is 0, we have to find the value of I, right? Now, we have to find the internal rate of return. For internal of rate of return, we have to make NPV equal to 0. So go to data, we have what if analysis, goal seek. We have to set this value to 0 by changing what? My interest rate. So change the interest rate. Okay. So see, this is what we get, 15%. Let me increase the number of decimals. 15.46%. So my internal rate of return is 15.46% using, you can write goals. Fine. You can fine. So this is your question number